Assalamu alaikum children. How are you? How is Ramadan going? Is it cool or is it really tiring? But remember, every second you struggle, Allah is rewarding you. So did you kiss your father's hands today? Did you kiss your mother's forehead today? Did you look at them and smile today? Because smiling is sunnah. Did you have a wonderful word with your sibling? Did you forgive each other if you had a tiff going on between you? Did you say I'm sorry to someone whom you have hurt today? Because sorry makes a man more stronger. And always remember, the one who forgives is stronger than the one who asks for forgiveness. Both need strength and both need results. So let's begin our 10th story with the 10th hadith on the 10th day of Ramadan. Today's story is again about hurting somebody and forgetting that Allah is watching. Before we start our story, any child who wants to suggest anything can write in the comments and I will give you a shout out with your name and your place. If you have any doubts or any queries, any questions, you can ask me in the comments. The name of the story today is The Poison. Don't worry, it's not scary. It also teaches us a lesson. So what's the hadith today? It talks about Allah harms the person who harms or hurts others. In Arabic, Man dharra Allah bihi. Riwayah Tirmidhi. So let's see what the story has to say. Hussein was returning from town to his village. He was happy because he had sold all his goods in the town's market. He stopped to rest by a fountain. I'll let my donkey graze a bit while I have a snooze under that tree, he thought. Just as he was about to sleep, he remembered the money in his money bag. He thought he should put it in a safe place. He opened it and looked at the coins. They all were there, and there were none missing. He put the bag inside his shirt and drifted off to sleep. Unfortunately, there was a thief in the tree who saw everything. The thief was a bad man, and he had spent all his life harming other people. His eyes glimmered when he saw Hussein's money bag. Slowly, he climbed down the tree and took out a straw and a jar of poison. He spread some of the poison on the straw. He silently approached Hussein, who was sleeping deeply. He planned to kill him and take his money by simply blowing the poison through the straw into Hussein's mouth. Just as the thief was about to administer the poison, Hussein suddenly sneezed. The thief was surprised and swallowed, taking all the poison into his mouth. He died immediately. Our Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, Allah harms the person who hurts or harms others. Maybe the person might not get punished right at the moment, but do not forget, Allah is watching, and Allah strikes at that time when a person is heedless of his sins and he thinks what he did was right. So if ever you plot or plan to harm somebody, think about there's a mighty power watching you from up there, and he is going to give you a reply that's going to affect you very badly. So be mindful and watch your actions. So that was today's beautiful story and a wonderful hadith that we got to learn. I hope we don't harm others by our words, our actions and our tongue, especially our parents, our siblings and our relatives. Inshallah, may Allah forgive all our sins, big and small, obvious and hidden. Ameen. So I'll see you in my next episode with another beautiful hadith and a wonderful story with a beautiful moral. Till then, I love you all. Enjoy the blessings of Ramadan.